guys, so in today's lesson we're going to be learning Born in the USA by Bruce Springsteen. Super easy, just got 2 chords that repeat the whole way through. Let's get learning them chords. Okay guys, so we're going to start by learning the chords. Just to note, the capo does need to be on fret number 4 for this song. First chord we're going to play is a G chord, so that's 2nd string down from the top, fret 2, top string fret 3, and then the bottom string here, fret 3. Again, all of these relative to the capo. This would be fret 1, 2, 3, and so on. So yeah, there's our G. Chord number 2 is a C chord, and that's 2nd string up from the bottom, fret 1, 3rd one down from the top, fret 2, string above, fret 3. Strum all strings except the low E string at the top. Again, we can pop that thumb over the top just to mute if we need to. So again, they were G and a C. And that is it, guys. It's literally just them 2 chords throughout the entire song. If you got them down, we're going to move on to the order and the strumming pattern. Okay guys, so now we've got the chords down, we're going to move on to the order and the strumming pattern. We're going to start from when the singing comes in, because I think that's a great anchor point to come in. First chord we need is a G, and again, if we're playing along with the original, we're going to start on the word born. So it comes in on that first verse, and we're just going to strum that first G chord 8 times, okay? So it's like this. Born down in a dead man's town, first kick I took was when I hit the ground. And then we change to the second chord, which was that C chord. You end up like a dog that's been beat too much, till you spend half your life just covering it up. And it pretty much just that the whole way through. Again, in the chorus, it's the exact same thing. 8 strums on a G and 8 strums on a C. So we got that. Here we go. Born in the USA, I was born in the USA, I was born in the USA, I was born in the USA, I was... Yeah, so that is the most basic way to play it. If you're an absolute beginner, that's the way I would suggest playing it. If you find that easy and you want to try and colour it up a bit more, you could try 2 strums per chord. So, born in the USA, I was born in the USA, I was born in the USA, I was born in the USA, I was... Yeah, but it's just literally just that G and C the entire way through the song. But again, if you're an absolute beginner, keep it single strum, nice and easy. It's a great one for beginners. Cool, hope that's helped. Okay guys, so that concludes today's lesson on Born in the USA by Bruce Springsteen. If you have found value in this lesson and you've enjoyed it, please do smash that like and subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next one.